कसे आहात?
How are you? How are you?
आजचा दिवस कसा गेला?
How was your day? How was your day?
काय चाललंय?
What's going on? What's going on?
मग नवीन काय?
What's new? What's new?
खूप दिवसांनी भेटलो.
Long time no see. Long time no see.
तुला भेटून आनंद झाला.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
तू आता मोकळा आहेस का?
Are you free now? Are you free now?
तुझ्याकडे 2 मिनिट आहेत का?
Do you have 2 minutes? Do you have 2 minutes?
मला तुझ्याशी बोलायचं आहे.
I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you.
चल आता बोलूया.
Let's talk now. Let's talk now.
तू कुठे जात आहेस?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
तू कधी येणार आहेस?
When are you coming? When are you coming?
मी तुझी वाट पाहतोय.
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you.
चल बाहेर जाऊया.
Let's go outside. Let's go outside.
मला एक मेसेज पाठव.
Send me a message. Send me a message.
मी तुला नंतर फोन करतो.
I will call you later. I will call you later.
थोडा वेळ थांब.
Wait a moment. Wait a moment.
तू अजून व्यस्त आहेस का?
Are you still busy? Are you still busy?
मला तुझं मत सांग.
Tell me your opinion. Tell me your opinion.
आजचा प्लॅन काय आहे?
What's the plan today? What's the plan today?
तू जेवलास का?
Have you eaten? Have you eaten?
मी आता जेवतो.
I am going to eat now. I am going to eat now.
आई मला बोलावते.
Mom is calling me. Mom is calling me.
बाबा अजून आले नाहीत.
Dad isn't home yet. Dad isn't home yet.
दार बंद कर.
Close the door. Close the door.
दिवे बंद कर.
Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights.
पंखा चालू कर.
Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan.
मी लगेच खाली येतो.
I will be downstairs soon. I will be downstairs soon.
तू तयार आहेस का?
Are you ready? Are you ready?
चल आता निघूया.
Let's leave now. Let's leave now.
तुझा फोन लागत नाहीये.
I can't reach your phone. I can't reach your phone.
मला तुझा आवाज येत नाहीये.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
जरा मोठ्याने बोल.
Please speak louder. Please speak louder.
मी तुला नंतर फोन करतो.
I'll call you later. I'll call you later.
तू मला ऐकू शकतोस का?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
फोन कट झाला.
The call got disconnected. The call got disconnected.
मी 5 मिनिटात फोन करतो.
I'll call you in 5 minutes. I'll call you in 5 minutes.
तू आता मला बोलू शकतोस का?
Can you talk now? Can you talk now?
मी मीटिंगमध्ये आहे.
I am in a meeting. I am in a meeting.
आपण नंतर बोलूया.
Let's talk later. Let's talk later.
आज तुझा वर्ग आहे का?
Do you have class today? Do you have class today?
आज गृहपाठ पूर्ण केला का?
Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework?
मला हे समजलं नाही.
I didn't understand this. I didn't understand this.
कृपया पुन्हा समजून सांगा.
Please explain it again. Please explain it again.
तुझी वही मला दे.
Give me your notebook. Give me your notebook.
मी तुझी वही उद्या परत देईन.
I'll return your notebook tomorrow. I'll return your notebook tomorrow.
आज परीक्षा आहे का?
Do we have an exam today? Do we have an exam today?
शिक्षक वर्गात आले.
The teacher came into the class. The teacher came into the class.
चल अभ्यास सुरू करूया.
Let's start studying. Let's start studying.
मी आज धडा पूर्ण करेन.
I'll finish the lesson today. I'll finish the lesson today.
याची किंमत किती आहे?
How much is this? How much is this?
हे थोडं महाग आहे.
This is a bit expensive. This is a bit expensive.
काही सवलत मिळेल का?
Can I get a discount? Can I get a discount?
मला हे आवडलं.
I like this. I like this.
दुसरा रंग आहे का?
Do you have another color? Do you have another color?
मला मोठा आकार हवा.
I need a larger size. I need a larger size.
मी हेच घेईन.
I'll take this one. I'll take this one.
मी कार्डने पैसे देईन.
I will pay by card. I will pay by card.
कृपया बिल द्या.
Please give me the bill. Please give me the bill.
धन्यवाद. पुन्हा भेटू.
Thank you. See you. Thank you. See you.
ही बस कुठे जाते?
Where does this bus go? Where does this bus go?
स्टेशन किती दूर आहे?
How far is the station? How far is the station?
मला इथे उतरायचं आहे.
I want to get off here. I want to get off here.
पुढचा थांबा कोणता आहे?
What's the next stop? What's the next stop?
ही सीट मोकळी आहे का?
Is this seat available? Is this seat available?
कृपया खिडकी उघडा.
Please open the window. Please open the window.
मला एक तिकीट द्या.
I would like one ticket. I would like one ticket.
ही योग्य दिशा आहे का?
Is this the right way? Is this the right way?
पोहोचायला किती वेळ लागेल?
How long will it take? How long will it take?
आपण जवळपास पोहोचलो आहेत.
We are almost there. We are almost there.
तू काय करत आहेस?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
तू कुठे चाललास?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
तू कोणाची वाट पाहतोस?
Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for?
तू एवढा उशीर का केलास?
Why are you so late? Why are you so late?
तुला याबद्दल माहिती आहे का?
Do you know about this? Do you know about this?
तुला माझी मदत हवी आहे का?
Do you need my help? Do you need my help?
तू माझ्याबरोबर येशील का?
Will you come with me? Will you come with me?
मी तुला काही विचारू का?
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
तू माझं ऐकतोस का?
Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me?
तुझं याबद्दल काय मत आहे?
What do you think about this? What do you think about this?
नक्कीच मी येईन.
Sure, I will come. Sure, I will come.
काही हरकत नाही.
No problem. No problem.
काळजी करू नकोस.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
मलाही तसंच वाटतंय.
I think so too. I think so too.
तू बरोबर आहेस.
You're right. You're right.
माझी चूक झाली.
It was my mistake.
मी पूर्णपणे सहमत आहे.
I completely agree. I completely agree.
मला तसं वाटत नाही.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
मी प्रयत्न करून पाहीन.
I'll give it a try.
ठीक आहे, करूया.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it.
मला थोडा वेळ दे.
Give me some time. Give me some time.
मी लगेच परत येतो.
I will be right back. I will be right back.
हे पुन्हा एकदा सांग.
Please say that again. Please say that again.
मी तुला मेसेज करतो.
I'll send you a message. I'll send you a message.
तू अजून व्यस्त आहेस का?
Are you still busy? Are you still busy?
घाई करण्याची गरज नाही.
There's no need to hurry. There's no need to hurry.
मला तुझी मदत हवी आहे.
I need your help. I need your help.
मी आता निघतो.
I am leaving now. I am leaving now.
आपण नंतर बोलूया.
Let's talk later. Let's talk later.
उद्या पुन्हा भेटूया.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.